Hello, my fellow investors, 60 Intelligent Investor here. In today's video, I'll be talking about the market itself and just giving you a little bit of backstory with what's been going on with me, because I know a lot of people have been asking, a lot of people have been sending me a message. So this is just a quick update. Now, I know I said I was going to do more videos, but I honestly got really busy. Like I said, I moved to a new state. I've been here for about 4 months. I've completely loved it, and my business has completely blown up. I've been a financial advisor here. I joined with another company, and business, like I said, has just been going insane. Okay, I've been getting so many clients that I just had no time to make videos. So I really do apologize for that. And again, I haven't answered everybody's questions because I had many questions being asked. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of update in the market and kind of what I've been doing. So yeah, let's just start off, guys. Like I said, I've been getting so many clients, and even though we are in a bad market, I mean, the market isn't great. It's not bad, but it's not good either. It's kind of staying stagnant. So again, it's not progressing, and we're still making money. And that's the reason I'm getting a lot of clients. So let's just talk about it. What's going on with the market? Like we all knew, the market was going to come down. We predicted this from way back. Okay, right when Biden got into office, we said this is going to be a shit show. The stock market is going to come down, and it's not really going to move up. And people were not believing me. People were saying that I'm dumb, that I don't know what I'm talking about, and constantly saying, hey, EV stocks are going to blow up. And look at them now. They're not really doing much. Okay, and we clearly predicted this. It happens in every election, and we knew that Biden printing out all this money and him being a really shitty president, the market wasn't going to do much. But we were ready for that. We said, hey, we're going to start saving up money, letting the market kind of come down and stay stagnant, and that's when we're going to invest. We're going to make money because we're going to invest into stocks that are actually going to make us money. So what are those stocks that have been making us money? Now, for me, I don't own many shares here of Apple, Microsoft, and Lockheed Martin, but I did start it on Robinhood. So I started a daily recurring investment to these 3 stocks to kind of show you that these stocks are actually going to go a long way. I don't have much invested into them. Each one has about $18. So again, it's not much. And I'm slowly going to grow these so I can show you that people that don't have money could still invest into great companies and get pretty decent returns, okay? And this is the thing that I want you guys to do. It slow and steady, because we're in a market where it's kind of trading sideways. Besides Apple and Microsoft, those are 2 stocks that actually ended up shooting up. And I told you guys that these stocks were going to shoot up. So if you kept them, you would have made profits. Now, there are other stocks that didn't do as well, which was like Archer, Lucid. Those stocks kind of came down. And again, like I said, we predicted that. Now, we were hitting a target price that we were planning on hitting, but that didn't happen because we're, like I said, in a really bad market. Okay, so we predicted these swing trades to happen. Archer, Lucid, all that stuff, we're predicting a little swing trade to happen. But it didn't happen. But like I said, these are long-term stocks. So I'm still keeping these stocks. I still own the same amount of shares I had. I'm slowly still buying them where it's coming down, because I believe in its future. And like I said, this is not a company that's going to blow up within a year or two. It's going to take a few years, probably 2024, 2025 is when these are going to hit. Same thing with Apple. We're predicting a 2024, 2025 blow up again, okay? They are coming out with the vehicle. Now, they've hired over 10,000 engineers, or what was it, 100,000 engineers to build a car. So that's what a lot of people don't know. And Apple does come up and down, but when it comes down or at this price, I still think it's worth buying. It's going to blow up because it's going to get in the car industry, and they're going to come up with a really good smart car because, like I said, they come up with simple technology that works. Okay, so Apple is something that's really going to be effective in the future. So that's why I have a huge investment in it, because I do believe in its very future. Now, like I've said, ExxonMobil and Chevron, these things were up there, and they ended up collapsing, right? They had their collapse, and this was a perfect time to buy. When this happened, I was like, tragically, it happened during a bad time, but, I was like, okay, this is where I'm going to make money. It collapsed. I put a huge chunk of money, and now I made a huge chunk of change. Okay, so this is the thing that I've been talking to you guys about. Keep investing into big companies like this, and these are the companies that are going to make you money. Okay, these stocks drop. People panicked and sold. I don't get that situation. What we've been studying here in my channel is a very simple way of investing. Okay, it's been very simple. Investing to great companies. When they come down, you're buying them at a cheap price. So ExxonMobil, Chevron came down, Realty Income came out as well, and Altria as well. These stocks kind of crashed and collapsed. When that happened, I had a lot of money saved because I wasn't really buying. I was doing reoccurring daily investments, but I wasn't buying chunks. So I was saving my money every time I got money. And then I was like, okay, now that these stocks crashed, then I bought a lot of them, okay, including with my daily reoccurring investments. So now I'm making huge profits on this. My averages are coming down. And again, I'm starting to save again. So they're still at a lower price, but I'm saving again. So when it hits another downturn, that's when I'm going to unload more money. Okay, so that's pretty much the method I've been doing. And people say, hey, it's a very complicated method and stuff like that. It's not, guys. I keep it very simple. I stick to stocks I know that are going to be successful. I put money in them. When they calm down, I buy more. Okay? It's not a situation where, oh, they're coming down, my equity is coming down, now I need to sell because I don't want to lose money. You got to have that mentality. And like I've said, if you've seen some of my previous videos where I said the main thing to do is build a mentality. Once you build that mentality, that strong mentality, you will succeed in the market. But it also depends what you invest in. You have to invest into big companies that you know are good and safe and will have a great future. And that's what we've been doing here. So this is just something I wanted you guys to actually know. I probably think you guys forgot this, but like I said, there's also the company like Lucid, where they haven't been too good. They kind of been stagnant as well, but I know they have a good future. Right now, they took out a car that's doing pretty good, but it's still really expensive. Once they start coming out with affordable cars within the next 4 or 5 years, that's when this company's going to start blowing up. So you're going to see this company at $23, let's say $24. But when this thing shoots up over 100, and people have been comparing this one with NIO, saying that it's going to be better. Like I said, Lucid is going to overtake it. NIO is going to disappear. It's going to be in the background. It's not really going to do anything. And that's what I've been telling you. There's been so many YouTubers out there that have been saying, hey, NIO's going to be the next best thing. It's going to be at 100, 200. Look at it now. It's nowhere near anything that people predicted, okay? It's been stuck in its little thing. Okay, it just gets swung trade. It goes up, it goes down, and stays again stagnant. But it has no real good future because it works on battery. Okay, Lucid works on, a new kind of battery that doesn't have to be changed out, that doesn't have to be, worried about. NIO's starting to have problems with his vehicles and stuff like that, and it just doesn't have a good future. Okay, that's one thing you guys have to understand. NIO is just a little hype stock that was hyped for a moment, and it's going to be disappearing soon, I bet of that. But Lucid has a good future. It's not going to compete with Tesla because Tesla's in another level, but it's going to get up there with the top car EV companies. So that's all I want to talk to you guys about this morning. Like again, I'm really tired. I'm gonna go to work right now, so I apologize that I haven't made so many videos, but I'm gonna start making more videos showing you the progress of these companies. Like I said, I own Apple, Microsoft, 2 tech companies. Lockheed Martin is pretty much a military type company that works with the government. So, it's just something that I'll be showing you guys little by little of how these stocks are actually gonna go a long way. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.